Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to save contacts with Gmail. Here's a detailed guide on how to save contacts with your Gmail Google account. First things first is to open the Contacts app on your mobile device. It's sometimes called Google Contacts or just Contacts. Tap the plus or add contact button, usually at the bottom right corner. Enter the contact's name and the name field. You can also add the company name if you have any. Tap the phone field and type the contact number. Optional, tap label beside the number. For example, mobile, home, or work to categorize it. Optional, add other information like email address, organization, address, and notes. Another guide is to tap the camera icon or add picture, a circle at the top to add a photo for the contact. From the list of options, tap on Saving to Device and Google in the bottom. Then select your Google account. This ensures the contact gets saved to your Google Cloud, not just your phone. And now review the details to make sure everything is correct. And then tap Save in the upper right corner. And done, the contact is now saved to your Gmail or Google account, and it will sync automatically to any device where you're signed in. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.